What if I told you that Volkswagen just brought back one of the most elegant icons of automotive history and completely redefined what retro futurism looks like on wheels? That's right. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is not just a car. It's a rolling time machine with the soul of the 60s and the tech of tomorrow. You're not just looking at a comeback. You're witnessing the rebirth of a legend. This is Auto Fusion. And today, we dive deep into one of the most unexpected and breathtaking returns of the decade. At first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia looks like a dream sculpted in steel and light. Sleek lines, low-slung proportions, and the unmistakable silhouette of the original coupe meet cutting-edge design language. You don't just see the past here. You feel it. Modernized and alive, Volkswagen has taken the DNA of the 1950s and 60s and fused it with electric dreams. But this isn't just retro nostalgia. This is next-generation performance wrapped in a design that makes your heart skip a beat. Under the hood. There is no hood, because this Karmann Ghia is fully electric. Volkswagen went all in on their MEB platform for this one. It packs a dual-motor setup that delivers a whopping 335 horsepower. 0 to 60 comes in just 4.2 seconds. That's right, a car that once cruised the coasts of California is now a high-performance electric machine ready to carve up the Autobahn and city streets alike. And yet, it still feels light, agile, and playful. Just like the original, only evolved. Now let's talk about that design. From the side profile, you'll notice the curvaceous body lines have been faithfully reimagined. The teardrop shape, the chrome accents, the flared wheel arches. It all screams Ghia. But the 2026 version brings ultra-slim Matrix LED headlights, a glowing VW badge up front, and those beautiful 20-inch turbine-style wheels that give it an unmistakably modern edge. It's not trying to be retro. It just is. Effortlessly. The front and rear bumpers are clean. Almost minimalist. A nod to the streamlined design language of the original coach-built masterpiece. The flush door handles pop out as you approach. The coupe's roofline flows seamlessly into a ducktail-style rear end, with a full-length LED light bar. It's elegance in motion. Step inside, it's like stepping into a concept car from 2040, but with the soul of a 60s roadster. You're greeted by a panoramic curved display that blends into a floating digital dash. There's wood trim. But it's not your granddad's walnut veneer. This is sustainable laser-cut ash with a satin finish, running across the dash in one clean sweep. The seats, vegan leather and microfiber with diamond-stitched inserts. Luxurious and eco-conscious. Volkswagen didn't just update the Karmann Ghia. They redefined what modern retro luxury should feel like. Ambient lighting runs from door to door. Fully customizable through the new VW Infotainment OS, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system fills the cabin with immersive audio. A zero-lag 15-inch touchscreen handles all your navigation, entertainment, and climate needs. Voice assistant, check. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard, over-the-air updates, of course. But what sets it apart is how it makes you feel. There's a warmth here. A charm that no other EV offers right now. Range anxiety. Not in this Ghia. With a 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers an impressive 340 miles of range on a single charge. Thanks to 800-volt fast charging tech, you can go from 10 to 80% battery in just 18 minutes. That means less time charging and more time doing what this car was built for: driving, exploring, and turning heads. Volkswagen has also put serious focus on driving dynamics, the low center of gravity, the adaptive suspension, the near-perfect weight distribution. All make the Ghia a joy to drive. Whether you're gliding through city streets or tackling winding canyon roads, the steering is responsive. The ride is planted. The acceleration is instant and addictive. It's a driver's EV and a showstopper at every turn. And let's not forget safety. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is packed with all of VW's latest IQ, Drive tech. That means Level 2 autonomous driving, lane centering, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, intelligent parking assist. This is a grand tourer that keeps you comfortable, confident, and in control. Pricing, it's expected to start around 52,000. Premium, yes. But remember, this isn't just an EV, it's a design icon reborn. A collector's item from day one. And with limited production runs expected, this Karmann Ghia could become one of the most desirable electric coupes of the decade. So what does it all mean? It means that Volkswagen hasn't just revived a name, they've reignited a feeling. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is proof that electric cars don't have to be soulless boxes on wheels. They can be beautiful, emotional, timeless. This car isn't trying to be the fastest EV, or the biggest, or the cheapest. It's trying to be something else entirely, memorable. And that's what makes it so powerful. In a world of sameness, the Ghia dares to be different. It dares to be art. So if you're someone who loves cars not just for their speed, but for their story, this one's for you. The Karmann Ghia is back, and it's never looked better. This was Auto Fusion. If you loved this first look at the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting cars of the future. And let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Tesla, a Mustang Mach-E, or a Porsche Taycan? We're dying to know. Until next time, keep driving forward, and never forget where you came from.